Hey, let me show you how you can easily and quickly transfer all data from your old phone into your Galaxy A55 5G. So first of all, on both devices, we have to be connected into the Wi-Fi network, and then we have to open the Google Play Store and get the same application. So I can recommend you to use the Samsung Switch application because it works really great with the Samsung devices. So now if you have this application, if you download it on the both smartphones, you have to just simply open it. Now we have to click more, and basically when you open this application and any application for the first time, you have to accept every permission. So accept anything that is actually popping on your screen. In the Samsung devices, it actually looks like this, that you have to click once, but in the other devices, like for example the Xiaomi, Realme, Nokia, you have to accept one by one. And now on your Galaxy A55 5G, you have to select this option that you are going to receive data. Click OK. By the way, you have to remember to charge both smartphones above 20%, because when this phone is on the 20% or under the 20%, you will not be able to send the data. Now select the source. So if you are sending data from the Galaxy phone or Android phone, select this one. If you are sending from the iPhone or iPad, select this one. Now select the connection method. If you are connected to the Wi-Fi, you have to select wireless. But if for some reason you are not able to connect to both devices to the Wi-Fi network, you can use cable and plug it into the USB ports on this one and this one smartphone, and then select cable. In my case, I'm selecting the wireless method, and on this old device, we have to select to send the data and select a wireless method. Now we have to keep both smartphones close because they are sending some data, some options to actually allows us to connect. So click connect when you have this notification. Now just wait until both devices will be synchronized. It will take around a few seconds. And as you can see now on our Galaxy A55 5G, we can quickly select everything that we can actually take from this old phone. But also we can only send calls, contacts, messages and accounts. Also you can set your custom. So select custom, go to the next. Now swipe up, and from this you can select accounts, calls and contacts, messages, apps. You can also select specific application, like you don't need to get all of them. For example, you can only send maybe the LinkedIn, and it looks the same for any option. Like you can even send some settings options, some home screen, some images, videos, audio. So basically select anything that you want to transfer, and then click transfer in the right bottom corner. From this we have to just wait until this data will be moved, not moved, it will be actually copied from the old phone into the Samsung A55 5G, so you don't have to worry about this. Your data will be still on this old phone, but you will actually get the copy of this data on your new Galaxy A55. Now click down on your old phone and go to the home screen on your A55, and as you can see now, it's actually transferring this data still. So you have to wait this 2 minutes until all of this data will be available on your smartphone. So yeah, as you can see, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.